These two beasts are among the best flagships of 2025. I'm talking about the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max and the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. These two devices are insane. They pack top tier specs and features. And in this video, we'll compare the specs of both devices and the price of both devices. There's one thing that I hate about these devices, their names. I mean, Pro Max, guys. I mean, it's annoying at this point. I mean, why wouldn't they just come up with their own unique names instead of trying to copy Apple? Many of these smartphone brands, I mean, how many smartphone brands have some dignity left? They all just want to be Apple. Okay, so if any brand uses Pro Max on any of its models, it's trying to copy Apple. Anyway, both devices pack some serious hardware. And as I mentioned earlier, we're going to be comparing the specs of both devices side by side. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. There you have it, guys, the Mate 80 Pro Max versus the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Which of the two devices do you think is best or better equipped in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.